The English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 26 letters, 5 vowels, and 21 consonants. The vowels are in orange: A, E, I, O, U. Let's say them one more time so that you can repeat them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let's have a look at the English vowel letters. A, E, I, O, U. You can see the phonemic transcript underneath to help you. I think my students find the first 3 vowel letters especially confusing. For A, I just always think about ABC, the song A. The next one, E, well, that is the sound for English. It's not English, it's English, so E. And the third one, I, that is the same as the pronoun I. For example, I like teaching, I. But of course there are more letters that can be tricky. Here are some more in orange. A, E, G, I, J, R, Y. Let's have a look at them again, this time with the phonemic transcript. A, E, G, I, J, R, Y. Some of them we had before. These were the vowel letters A, E, and I, but there are a few consonants that can be tricky too. G, J, R, and Y. The last one is really like the question word, why? Why is this so difficult? And the consonant R is really like a vowel sound. Let's have a look at the alphabet by sounds. We need 7 sounds to say all the 26 letters of the alphabet. A, E, I, O, U, R. Okay, let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now, in American English, people would call this letter Z. So, Z or Z. Let's do a spelling test. Listen, spell what you hear, then check. There are 4 words in total. Listen and spell. B, I, R, T, H, D, A, Y. Let's check. Birthday. B, I, R, T, H, D, A, Y. Word number 2. Listen and spell. E, N, J, O, Y, I, N, G. Enjoying. E, N, J, O, Y, I, N, G. Word number 3. Listen and spell. J, U, S, T, I, C, E. Justice. J, U, S, T, I, C, E. Word number 4. Listen and spell. G, E, O, G, R, A, P, H, Y. This is a bit longer, so I'll repeat. G, E, O, G, R, A, P, H, Y. Geography. G, E, O, G, R, A, P, H, Y. Well done, everybody.